Hello everyone! In this video, we will discuss how to reduce the size of a large EDB file. If you're managing an Exchange Server 2019 environment and notice your EDB file growing too large, this video is for you. In my lab setup, I'm using Windows Server 2022 with Exchange Server 2019 installed. Let's start by checking the size and location of the mailbox databases. I have 3 mailbox databases in this setup. One is the default database created during installation, and the other 2 are custom, new DB01 and new DB02. If we go to the F drive under the Exchange folder, you'll find the database files. Each mailbox database has an EDB file, and as you can see, their file sizes are clearly displayed. This is where we can identify which database is consuming the most space. You can also verify database sizes using the Exchange Management shell. Let me open it as administrator. Click Yes when prompted. I already have the command saved in Notepad. Let me copy and paste it into the shell. As you can see, it displays all 3 databases along with their sizes. Among the 3, new DB01 occupies the most space. Now, let's move some mailboxes to another database. This is a common step when you're trying to reduce the size of a large EDB file, especially if you plan to remove or defragment a database. Go to Recipients, Mailboxes. Here, you'll see a list of all user mailboxes along with the databases they reside in. To demonstrate, I've selected a few mailboxes from this list. Navigate to the Migration tab, click the plus symbol, and choose Move to a different database. Select the users you want to move. Click OK, click Next, name the migration batch. I'll name it New 1. Choose the target database. I'll select the default one. Increase the bad item limit to 50. Click Next, then New. The migration batch is now created successfully. It will appear in the list of migration batches and begin syncing mailboxes from the source to the target database. You can monitor the status, syncing, synced, or completed right from this interface. Depending on the mailbox size and network speed, the migration may take some time, so I paused and came back later. As you can see now, the migration batch shows as completed, which means the mailboxes have been successfully migrated. After completion, I downloaded the error report to review any issues. The report provides details like mailbox name, number of failed items, and specific error messages. Another effective way to control database growth is by setting mailbox usage limits. By configuring size quotas, you can restrict how much data each user is allowed to store, helping prevent unchecked database growth and performance issues. For example, I've selected a user named Jinto. Currently, his mailbox has no size limits. It's set to unlimited. To manage growth, I'll set the following limits. Issue warning at 1.9 gigabytes. Prohibit send and receive at 2 gigabytes. This ensures the user receives a warning before the limit is reached and is blocked from sending and receiving once the limit is hit. Let me save the changes. Now let's re-verify. And yes, everything looks correct. Let's look at a more efficient way to extract and export mailbox data using Stellar Converter for EDB. First, I search for Stellar Converter for EDB on Google. The official Stellar website appears at the top. Clicking on the first link takes me to the download page. From here, you can download the tool. The installation process is simple. Just click Next, Next, then Install. I've already downloaded and installed it on this machine. Let's open the tool. On the home screen, you'll see two options: Hosted Exchange, Mavini, Eline, EDB. Since I'm working with an offline EDB file, I'll select Offline EDB. Once the file is loaded, the tool scans and displays all mailboxes in a structured format. You can browse folders like Inbox, Sent Items, Drafts, Contacts, and Calendar, just like in Outlook. This view makes it easy to preview specific items before exporting. All components, including emails, attachments, contacts, calendar entries, journals, and even public folders, are viewable in the clean, intuitive interface. Let's export one mailbox to PST format. Select the mailbox from the left pane, right-click, and choose Save as PST. You can also enable auto-split PST, which is helpful for large mailboxes. The tool splits the mailbox into multiple PSTs based on the size limit. Another useful feature is filtering, allowing you to filter items by date, subject, sender, etc., which is great for compliance or selective restores. Once everything is configured, click OK to begin the export. The conversion starts and may take some time depending on the mailbox size. When done, you'll receive a confirmation. Data saved successfully. Click Open Containing Folder to view the exported PST file. Check the file's properties to verify format and size. That's it. While manual methods work, tools like Stellar offer a user-friendly interface, powerful filters, and flexible export options, making mailbox management much easier. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any query, comment down below.